So ladies and gentlemen, we have the Weebill 2 SE here. And as you can see, this is my mobile setup. So take it with a grain of salt when I'm about to teach you about parameter settings. So if you like what you see, please do subscribe and please do hit the like button. It only takes a few seconds to do that. But let me show you my settings and how I set up my gimbal when I want to shoot cinematography video. So I go into parameters. Let's go to motor settings, okay? And we're gonna go to custom. Now you can copy these settings, but based on your rig, you may want to increase it or decrease it. But these are my settings here. For the motor, I have the pan at 25, I have the roll at 35, and I have the tilt at 35. If you go to smoothness, I have it at 135 all the way. Pan, roll, and tilt. There's a reason why I have it at 135. I feel like it's just much smoother that way. And if you go to customs and the follow, now the pan is at 45, my roll is at 55, but my tilt is at 35. So, and then if you go into the joystick settings, yes, joystick is important too if you're going to use the joystick. Pan is at 25 sensitivity, 15 at the roll sensitivity, and 19 at the tilt sensitivity. Now, as I said before, you may want to change these settings based on your rig and your setup. And then we go to the deadband. And the custom for that is the pan is at 7 and the roll is at 4, but the tilt is at 6. Now, sometimes I will switch this between 4 and 6 based on the load, so keep that in mind. But most of these settings, I feel that I like it the way it is, even with my cinema cameras or my DSLR cameras when I'm shooting, when Magic Lantern Raw. I just feel better with these settings. I feel that it's much smoother, it works better, and this is how I think you should go about this too. So if you have the Weebill 2, always change the parameter settings because it's going to make a big difference. But with that said, everyone, less than 3 minutes, that's all you have to do. With that said, everyone, please do subscribe, like, and share. You want to support the channel, everyone. But make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit the like button. It helps to grow with this channel, everyone. But with that said, eat, sleep, photography, and set your parameters on your gimbal correctly. And I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.